Yes, we did it. Yes, what a time to be alive. What a time to be a Kaizer Chiefs supporter. Yeah? Iyadla impofu. Idla ukudla kwayo. Hey, abafana basebenzile ngijabule. I am so happy. I am so happy. If you are not subscribing right now while you are happy, I don't know what you are doing. Please subscribe to the channel because wow, Kaizer Chiefs isenze sa happy siyikhanda. Si happy. We are happy for the cup. Washo uDuba wathi nothi ngasho. And now it's happening. I'm really happy for the guys. Please continue to subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, like them, comment below. I appreciate reading your comments and replying to them. Please continue to comment and keep on watching them. Wow, guys, what a day. Bengithuke kakhulu namhlanje ade ngivuka. I was so scared. I was like, what if? Hey, but I had that belief because today is the day. Today is the day uNkulunkulu uzoyiphendula imithandazo yethu. Even ebusuku angikwazanga ukulala kahle. Thinking of this day. What a day. What a day. A history was made before our eyes. Come on, guys. If I don't get 1,000 subscribers right now, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. This is Kaizer Chiefs, guys. This is the start of the good things. Please believe in Coach Nabi. I promise you he will deliver. Ngithanda ukubonga kwi-management eKaizer Chiefs. Ngibonge kubadlali beKaizer Chiefs, our captain Yusuf Maart. What a performance. What a performance. A man of the match. Into engizokutshela yona, when iPirates ithola leya equalizer, I was worried. So worried. I was like, yeah. Yo, inhliziyo yami cishe yama, guys. Le video ngayenza ngisanda ukubuya kade ngiphumile ngele. Ngiyayenza angina script, it's just a freestyle. So I will talk mangibheda ngiyabheda, but I am so happy. I'm happy. Yo, hey. But ke nginama point ambalwa ashiwo uBob Steak lapha ku-interview yakhe. Mabembuza ngokuthi they will still sign players or do what. Uthe this is a small team. We still need to beef them and sign some players. Hopefully they will sign players because we need to carry this momentum. Yabo. Asikwazi ukuthi yasiwinile, so we have to sign more players that we want. Yabo. And then make sure we are prepared for next season, because right now is 100% guaranteed Kaizer Chiefs will play CAF Conference, and we are taking it. Siyayithatha nayo. Yabo. Next year siyaqoqa next year. And then we must focus. Amajitha kumele celebrate namhlanje namhlanje, yeah. Monday, go back to work. Shift your focus kulama games awuthi uwasela. Swawine, and then Sundowns ishaye cheaper. Izodla nani cheap. Angazi noma iChief izodlala nePirates, but if Sundowns can beat cheaper and we win our last 2 games, sisemathubeni amaningi so ukuthi sibuyele lapha ku top 8. And ukuba ku top 8 kuzosiza ngani? Kuzosiza ngokuthi we will have many options for cups. MTN 8 League, Nedbank Cup as cup defenders, so basivikela isicoco sethu. CAF and also Black Label. Just imagine having so many attempts to win the cup. Ngeke sihlulwe ukuwina ukuwina one of those 5 cups, 1 or 2, yabo. So I'm saying top 8 is still important to us as Kaizer Chiefs. Also having players for the next season, we need them. We'll be participating in so many competitions. So please, management, do the right thing for getting us good quality players. Nibonile nani, Solomons was playing was playing that thing. We need a right back. You see, we also need a left back. We need a creative player in the midfield. We need a striker. We need a wing. Please get us good players so that we can beef up the squad, as Bob Steck said in his interview. And to all Kaizer Chiefs fans, please give Coach Nabi time, and please support our players. They will make mistakes, but if support banika that spirit, even if they are in a bad run of winning, they will feel motivated. Yabo, ukuthi if we criticize them, then we are killing them. Yabo. So please, Kaizer Chiefs fans, be patient. Be patient. Coach Nabi will deliver. I believe in our players. They will winning this cup. Will have a new mentality in them. Yabo. They will have a winning mentality. Yabo. Just imagine Umtu Shabalala winning a cup with a senior team. The feeling, he will carry this feeling of winning in every game. Yabo. Tuba. Everyone. I even saw Umfundo Vilakazi posting on Instagram, and Samkelo Zwane, Eden Makat. Come on. This win meant voice amayikho memezeka kakhulu bengijabula. This win means a lot to us. Will give us a huge boost. Will give us a winning momentum, a winning mentality. Yabo. We needed that. Our captain, fantastic. I love you, Yusuf Mat. I love you. Yeah, I love him. I think I've talked too much. So please, guys, continue watching my videos. Nqhubeni support. Like them, comment below. I love replying at your comments. I love reading them. Please continue commenting, subscribe. Please like the video. Please, bafethu.